Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to insert multiple rows in Google Sheets quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, open Google Sheets and load the document where you want to add multiple rows. Here I have a document I created earlier, as you can see. Let's say I want to add 6 rows after the 5th row. A common method is to right-click on a row and select Insert Row above, but doing this multiple times can be tiresome. Instead, there's a much faster way. Rather than adding rows one by one, simply select the same number of rows as the ones you want to insert. For example, since I need 6 rows, I'll select 6 existing ones. Then by right-clicking, I get the option to insert 6 rows above. Clicking it instantly adds all 6 rows at once, much quicker and more efficient. And that's it. A simple way to insert multiple rows in Google Sheets without wasting time. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.